Hey guys, we're back. Beautiful sunny day in California. Thank God. We went through a terrible winter this year. Too much water, but we're still in the drought. 2006 Tribeca. We're going to show you how to remove this outer right taillight on the deck lid. I've made several other videos on removing the corner tail lights. We're working on the deck of the tail lights, and then if there's anything else specific to the tailgate you guys want to know how to take apart, like our channel, let us know. My favorite tool, which would be this clip remover, I call it. $1 at the $1.99 on eBay. It's a shitty version, but it works. This panel right here has a little indentation right here. I don't know if you can see it right here. If you put your little Phillip, or well, not Phillip, your flathead, and just push right here, it will pop open. Voila. Go ahead and unplug this out of the way. Now in here, there's a number 8 right here. Since we got this out, let me go ahead and unplug. There's one plug there, and there's one plug here. I don't know if you can see it for the tail light, and 1/8 here. What you want to do, go ahead and there's one, there's two, there's a total of 4. The other 2 are on the outside right here. 1, 2. Check this out. Subaru decided to put one more bolt back here. Holy cow. Right here. There it is. There's actually 5 bolts. Rookie move. Let's see if it'll come out now. Voila. So, total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, it's a beautiful taillight. If you guys need one, call us. It'll be cheaper than the dealer. And same way going back in, realistically, I mean, it's no brainer. Just pop this back in as seen in the videos. Try this at home. Pop in, tighten these screws. I recommend doing it by hand. Don't use a tool like I do. You'll bust it. It's very simple. These things are brittle. Weird looking light bulbs, but if you need to replace bulbs, now's the time too. Alright, that's all I got for today.